Bueno, estamos viendo los drones subacuáticos de nuestro amigo Jon McBride, que hemos quedado con él, tenemos una foto que es como una especie de referencia, ¿no?, en el mundo de los drones.
El mundo de los drones es una referencia, inventa cositas, sobre todo pilota muy bien y lo que hace es bloguear muchísimo.
Ah, vale, tiene un blog directamente.
Sí.
Here you are. Aquí está, we were talking about you.
Oh,
yeah.
very good.
We were saying that you have an excellent blog and he knows you because of the posts.
Sure. A lot of the stuff a lot of the information that I put out there is more just trying to get people to understand exactly how the systems work, what they do. Of course, I do the hardware, I sell the hardware, but I'm not a drone service provider, so just making sure that you get the right stuff is the most important.
Oh, okay. And you're like an inventor, like
I'm a lot of people think, they engineer type person that would just come up to figure out how to fix solutions. So we're solution centric. I try to figure out how a FLIR camera might work with a specific drone, or how I can incorporate a drop system onto something. I mean, it's just standardized RC, but sometimes I can work with a manufacturer to create something that's kind of specific to the job, that's more specific to it. So even these guys, if you know, Thunder Tiger themselves, we've worked with them for a number of years. And the reason I'm even here at CES is with Thunder Tiger. And so the drone, a typical drone, if we take a look at these, the typical drone itself doesn't always have the perfect solution. It's not always the greatest thing. These can fly for an hour and a half, can carry 15 kilograms, and helicopters are a lot more efficient, 10 times more efficient than most drones are. So, and their stability in the air is a lot better. But they were going to ask about submarines and ROVs and how they work, and what's really cool about this is that it flies like a drone. That's what's really neat. So it moves in the water like a drone. It moves forward, it moves back, left and right, up and down. And so it's very similar to actually operating a drone underwater.
Yeah,
so all of the flight controls are very similar. So that's why I like it. They're still working on that, but we're trying to keep it under 10,000. So it's still a very specialized system, fairly different as far as control goes, but you know, we've got basically feed coming through. Batteries are on board to keep the buoyancy good, but that's kind of the idea. So we've got HD monitor come through, you've got telemetry data coming through. But still, like the typical ROV like this could be upwards of $50,000 to $60,000 rather than sub 10,000 US.
Look at los precios. He was telling me that the prices you have are very good.
Yeah, and it's just trying to keep it at a manageable point, so it's not, you know, overly expensive. And I look for these things to try to, again, help, you know, help the market. I'm all about helping the industry and the market move forward rather than making the dollars off of every purchase. So,
well, thanks for your job.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.